Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. Most of the time we try to keep our family healthy. We try to cook and serve them healthy food. But what about kids? Why kids? Even elders sometimes we hesitate. If we give beetroot juice to kids, not only kids, even elders try to hesitate and they neglect them. But if we neglect them, what about our health? So just with some tricks, you can include these healthiest recipes in your daily meals. So how? Let us see how to prepare. So for this beetroot rice, we need beetroots. Here I have taken 250 grams of beetroot. I have peeled nicely the outer skin and washed it, and now you need to chop into pieces like this. You don't need to chop it into fine small pieces or else bigger ones. This size will do good. Now add all the chopped pieces into a blender and add water required, not too much, not too less, just required for the beetroots to smash nicely. So take a bowl and place a sieve on top of it and then sieve it nicely so that the pulp remains in the steam, and then you will get this beetroot juice into the bowl. Now once you get the beetroot water or juice into the bowl, take another bowl and add 1 full glass of rice. Here I have taken basmati rice. You can take any rice of your choice. Now wash it nicely and put it aside. Now add the beetroot juice into the rice. For 1 glass of basmati rice, I have added 2 glasses of beetroot water into the rice. Now beetroot juice or beetroot is very much healthy. It is rich in folate, manganese, vitamin C, vitamin A and potassium. Now if you consume this beetroot twice a week, you will regularly have this changes in your health and you can see so much health benefits. Now once you're done with the beetroot rice or water, take a pressure cooker and add 3 tablespoons of oil and add 1 large onion chopped and 4 to 5 chilies slit and add into it. Now add the entire rice and the beetroot water into the pressure cooker and stir it nicely. If you include beetroot in your regular diet, you can prevent heart diseases and stroke, and also you can lower your blood pressure, and also you can boost your immune system. Now once you're done stirring it, you can add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and roasted cumin powder. You can also add coriander powder if you have, and then stir it nicely and add salt to taste and check for the taste and then add accordingly, and then close the lid and allow it for 2 whistles and then cool it nicely. So with these health benefits, don't neglect having beetroot rice. Now after 2 whistles, that's it, our hot beetroot rice is all ready. Our beetroot rice is so yummy and tasty. I have also done beetroot puri. Check the previous video. It is so tasty and yummy. Now with this hot beetroot rice, you can serve it with raita. That will do good. For kids, you can give boiled eggs, or else if you have some time, you can prepare potato kurma or paneer curry. That will do good with this rice. Trust me, it's so tasty and also yummy. And also athletes or some people, when they go before gym and all, they take this beetroot juice because it increases their stamina. So with such health benefits, why do you hesitate to have it? Try it and let me know how it turned to you in the comment section. Please like, share and comment and subscribe. Thank you.